Welcome to our channel Mootechie. Our topic is the introduction, history and scope of microbiology. The key words we'll be covering are microbiology, microorganisms, history and scope. Now, let's move on to the definition. Microbiology is the scientific study of microorganisms, organisms that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. It includes the study of unicellular, multicellular, and acellular organisms. It encompasses diverse life forms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and algae. The field focuses on their structure, function, classification, and practical applications and explores both beneficial and harmful relationships with other organisms. Next, we explore the meaning of microorganisms. Microorganisms are living entities that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. They exist as unicellular, multicellular, or acellular forms. They are found in virtually every environment on Earth and play crucial roles in ecosystems, health, and industry. They can be beneficial or harmful depending on the context. The main groups are bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Coming up, we'll discuss the branches of microbiology. Microbiology is divided into two main branches with several sub-branches. Pure microbiology focuses on fundamental understanding of microorganisms. Applied microbiology utilizes microorganisms for practical applications. Each branch studies specific types of microorganisms and their characteristics. And modern microbiology often integrates multiple branches for comprehensive research. Under pure microbiology, we have bacteriology, mycology, physiology, protozoology, and virology. Under applied microbiology, we have parasitology, nematology, medical, agricultural, and industrial microbiology. There is also a diagram titled Branches of Microbiology by Taxonomy. Following this, let's understand the historical background. Key figures who shaped the foundation of microbiology include Antony van Leeuwenhoek from 1632 to 1723, who was the first to observe and document microorganisms. Louis Pasteur, 1822 to 1895, developed germ theory and pasteurization. Robert Koch, 1843 to 1910, established postulates for disease causation. These pioneers laid the groundwork for the golden age of microbiology. We see a portrait of Antony van Leeuwenhoek with a note that he was the first to observe animalcules using self-made microscopes in the 1670s. There's a portrait of Louis Pasteur with a note that he developed germ theory and pasteurization in the 1860s. There's also a section header that says History of Microbiology in English and another note highlighting Louis Pasteur of France, 1822 to 1895. As we continue, let's look at the development of microbiology. The field evolved from discovery to modern applications. Microbiology evolved from simple observations to a complex molecular understanding. Key developments transformed medicine, agriculture, and industry. Modern microbiology integrates genomics and biotechnology and continues to expand with new discoveries and technologies. We see three eras outlined. The Discovery Era, with the first observations of microorganisms by van Leeuwenhoek in 1676. The Golden Age, where Pasteur's germ theory and Koch's postulates revolutionized medicine. And the Molecular Era, marked by the discovery of DNA structure and development of genetic engineering. There is a detailed moving forward, we'll see the importance of microbiology. Microbiology plays a crucial role in various aspects of human life. It is essential for disease diagnosis and treatment development. It is key to food production and preservation techniques. It contributes to biodegradation and environmental cleanup, and it is the foundation for biotechnology and genetic engineering. A graphic shows four connected fields: medicine, connected to antibiotics, vaccines, and diagnostics; the food industry, connected to fermentation, preservation, and safety; the environment, connected to bioremediation and waste treatment; and biotechnology, connected to genetic engineering and enzymes. Next, we explore the overall scope of microbiology. Microbiology encompasses diverse fields with expanding applications. It extends from fundamental research to practical applications. It contributes to global health and environmental sustainability. It drives innovation in biotechnology and pharmaceutical industries, and it addresses emerging challenges like antibiotic resistance and climate change. The scope is broken down into four areas: research, covering microbial genomics and synthetic biology; agriculture, covering biofertilizers, pest control and crop enhancement; healthcare, covering personalized medicine and microbe therapy; and environment, covering bioremediation, bioenergy, and waste management. The slide also has the title Microbiology, Definition, Branches, Scope, and Types of Microbes, and is signed by Josh. Thank you. Thank you for exploring the fascinating world of microbiology with us. Discover, explore, learn. Visit our channel for more educational content. Mootechie, making learning engaging. Thank you. See you in the next class.